So here I have a LED TV and it had some bad back strips there. And I have an LED tester and you can see that only one light went on. And basically all the lights on this TV had gone bad. So normally I just replace the bad lights, but in this case I had to order brand new strips so that we could get the lights working. So the symptoms of this TV is just like a black screen or it's really dim. And I went on tvparts.ca and ordered some brand new back strips for about $90, and they came pretty fast. I ordered them on Friday and they came on Monday, which is good. They're just out of Concord in Toronto, and I just made sure that I got the right type there, and so they came wrapped in bubble wrap, and then it has about 8 strips, and then I test them out and they're all working good. I always like to double check everything, and then I installed them all. And then after you insert them all and you connect them all, what you can do is you can plug your TV back in. So I just lifted it up and put the power cable in, and we'll just verify that all the lights turn on. Then we'll know that everything's good. So you can see that with the power connected, all the lights turn on, so it's good. And then we can reassemble everything. So that's what I did. This is a very common repair, is replacing backlights, and then I put the white paper down and the different filter. Now you have to be really careful when you're removing the screen. I always use these suction cups, and I'm always very careful with the screen. But in this case, I had everything together, and what I think happened, I'm not 100% sure, is when I lifted it up, it kind of cracked the screen a little bit on the right hand side. So I learned, don't lift up the screen until you get the back bezel on. That just makes it a little bit stronger because the screens are really thin. Okay, hope this helped, and I didn't charge anything for labor for this repair. Just for the parts there. So hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next repair video. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.